beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany. If you're new here, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to stay a while. In today's video, I am just going to be doing a little update of things that have been happening around the house since I fell off the map back near Halloween. Yeah, I'm back now. We're doing a decluttering series. You should stick around for that. But I just wanted to show you guys some updates that are going on around the house. There's been a lot going on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, this is not your typical aesthetic home tour or anything. This is just, we live here, it's a mess, renovations, and there's 3 kids that live here. So yeah, this is real life. Okay, anyway, first things first, this hallway here, as you can see, we now have the new flooring down here as well. And for those of you who are new here, this here in the bathroom hasn't been done yet. This is what the floors used to look like, which I love these. But yeah, we had some things happen and yeah, needed to change the flooring. So anyway, this is the new flooring and we've got it going on down through the kitchen all the way over to here. And it stops there because, excuse the mess, we are getting new cabinets and we are getting new appliances and things. And yes, all of these are going. We're getting new cabinets. I'm going to show you guys a picture of what the new cabinets are going to look like. And yeah, so we also got a new fridge. If you guys remember, the old fridge we had was always freezing up and leaking, and it was a mess. And it did that again, and we didn't think it was going to start working again. So Michael went ahead and got this fridge, and it's kind of a mess right now. I am still working on how to best organize it because this is a totally different format than the other fridge. And if you guys have watched any shorts, then you've already kind of seen a little peek at this fridge. But yeah, like I said, it's kind of a mess. We got a lot of like leftover takeout stuff going on in there right now. Yeah, I'm still working on how to organize that the best that I can. And then the freezer, it's a total mess. I haven't even tried to organize this yet. Maybe that'll be a video in the future. But yeah, so new floor, new fridge. Now, at first, Michael was gonna go with these cabinets. As you can see, these are different than the other cabinets. And they were very expensive. These were from Lowe's. And right now we just have, because if you guys, I'm gonna try to see if I can figure out a way to get some picture or footage or something. This here was an open shelf, and then we had a counter space here, and the fridge was on the opposite wall. So all of the pantry type stuff that was on that shelf is now in here for the time being, and this needs to be reorganized. But anyway, yeah, so we've got some pantry stuff in here. I don't like how all of this is organized right now, but like I said, it's all temporary. And then the pots and pans were stored in the cabinets underneath the counter space that used to be here. So the pots and pans are there now. And then I've got some stuff stashed in those cabinets up there as well, but those are really like not convenient at all. But anyway, those are going to end up going. Michael, I think, is going to try to sell them. They were very expensive. And he got a quote for these other cabinets that are coming on Friday, which today is Tuesday. And so I got to try to get that ceiling taken care of. But all right, so we've got some mess going on. These are actually my pans I got for Christmas. And I think I'm just going to hold off until all the new cabinets are up to even try to swap them out, because I just haven't had time to get them washed and put away. And I don't even know where to put them at this point. So I think they're just going to stay in the box until we get the cabinets going in here. And as you can see, he's got his plans on the wall here for how the cabinets are going to go. So we are going to have cabinets along this wall. And I am guessing He says he's gonna put in some receptacles, so I'll be able to plug up the crock pot and stuff over there maybe. I don't know. We'll see how all that goes when it's all finished and done. But we got, that's a box of Christmas stuff right there that needs to go upstairs, and some other crap. I really need to just declutter all of this mess. And then the junk drawers on the floor over there. So everything is just a mess. And it's gonna get worse before it gets better. But the dishwasher is gonna end up moving. I'm excited about that. We're gonna have a cooktop and then a in-the-wall oven, I think, or something. And we're actually gonna have a microwave that doesn't sit right on top of the cooktop here. So that's exciting. And I don't know what else to tell you guys as far as that goes. So let me go ahead and get the picture out and show you guys what it's gonna look like. Okay, you guys, so this is the layout of how the kitchen's gonna be. The cabinets look really black in this, even in real life, but they're actually just a dark brown. I can't remember if I find out the name of the color. They're just a really dark brown wood color. Black would be cool, honestly. I told Michael I thought black would be cool. But anyway, they're gonna be dark brown. So as you can see, this here is the refrigerator. And then I think this space here is where like the window is. So the cabinets are gonna start here. And we're gonna have our oven here. I think the cooktop goes right above it. So yeah, maybe that's how it goes. The cooktop goes above it, microwave there, full cabinets. This is a glass panel, which already actually came in the mail. And then we have the dishwasher here, and then cabinets come around. We've picked out a farmhouse sink. I'm gonna put a picture of that there for you guys. So the sink's still gonna be in the same spot, but I'll have the dishwasher right next to it. That's gonna be amazing. And we've got more cabinets that goes around. Range hood, so, okay, our cooktop must go here. Yeah. Okay, so cooktop is gonna go under this range hood. We've got the oven over here. I don't know. I had nothing in this. I just know what's happening. And then, yeah, as you can see, it goes back around. And then there's another glass panel in that cabinet space there. And we haven't decided on the backsplash area yet. We got to repaint, and it's going to be interesting. It's going to be sheer madness, I already know. But it'll be worth it in the end, I suppose. So very, very exciting stuff. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. And as far as a table, this table's not gonna look very good with those brand new cabinets, but I'm kind of nervous about having a brand new table because kids. And I mean, this table had some damage to it when we got it, but the kids have done so much more to it. So I don't know if we're gonna get a new table or what. It's gonna look kind of funny in here for the time being, I'm sure, but that's that. Originally, I was gonna be scraping off all of this textured stuff up on the ceiling, but we ended up finding a easier way. So luckily, I got to cancel that. All right, we're gonna go in the laundry room. As you can see, the hardwood continues in there, so the ugly tile that used to be in there is gone, and I'm so thankful for that because it was horrible and you just couldn't get it to look clean and never knew if it really was clean, and it was awful. And it had like the cracks in it. It got cracked when we first moved in here when we brought the washing machine in. I think it was the washing machine. Yeah. And yeah, so all right, so it is a disaster area in here as well, but it's gonna be because it just is, man. For the time being, anyway. We will get it situated some way, somehow. But Michael, he built this thing in here. So that's new in here, along with the floors. There's those glass panels in that box. Now for a big reveal in our sunroom. And if you guys have been here a while, you remember what it looked like. I should be able to get some kind of footage to show you guys what it looked like before. But check this out. What? No more of that nasty carpet? Yes, and I love this floor. Honestly, I wish it was through the whole house. It's so pretty. And it's going to be really easy to clean and stuff. And that's amazing because a lot of mud and dirt comes through here. Okay, so now, also, ta-da! Michael built this little cubby area for the kids. And they each have their own little space for their book bags and coats. And up top, as you can see, we've got all of our art stuff up there right now, but that's gonna eventually be like the bins for their outside stuff. And I've got another plan for their art stuff and then bins for shoes underneath. And he also put in these blinds, which are amazing. And I'm looking forward to when he puts them in the upstairs sunroom because nothing is safe in there. Everything gets bleached by the sun. So, yeah. And we still have the little built-in bookshelf over there. So that's been coming along. He just up and did it. And it was painted. It was also painted this gray color. Let's see if we can get a good look at it. It was also painted. Oh, the light is fighting me. All right, let's see. Let's get up close. Maybe you can see it better. Yeah, it's been painted. It's just like a light gray, which is the same as what's upstairs, if you guys remember that. So looking forward to this being done. And we've got to also figure out another system for coats, like for my coats and Michael's coats and things like that. So very exciting stuff. Yep. And he's talking about putting a love seat out here. I don't know, I guess. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this. I'm very excited about organizing all of that for the kids. So that's gonna wrap up my little update for you guys today. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of everything and how it's coming along. Maybe I'll include some footage when the cabinets come and trying to get them installed and all that stuff. We'll see. We'll see. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be chaos. But let me know down in the comments below if you want to see any of that also, because I don't want to show you guys things that you don't want to see. But I thought this would be really interesting because there's been a lot of changes going on around here. Just wanted to give you guys that little update. But thank you so much for watching, if you did, because this is a totally different style video than what I normally do. Actually, guys, I do, for those of you who are staying till the end, you'll actually care to hear, but I want to start doing more sit down and talk with you videos. So that might be something coming in the future. Actually, I think it's probably definitely going to be something coming in the future because I want to talk to you guys about what I had been up to between October and my return to YouTube, and I want to talk to you guys about kind of a lot of things. So yeah, definitely leave me some feedback on that in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to come back and see the kitchen as it comes along or when it's finished, I'm definitely going to show you guys when it's finished. Subscribe, stay a while, and make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for coming over and watching and hanging out with me today. Take such good care of you. Bye. By the way, you guys, this happened because of cooking with no vent here. So when we first moved here, it was kind of loose from the ceiling. And then with the cooking, because it's right above the stove, with the cooking, it eventually cracked. And yeah, so this is gonna be fun, you guys. Wish me luck. Oh yeah. Check it. Fun.